Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is Redmi K20 Pro, a powerful flagship smartphone by Xiaomi's Redmi branding. This phone is making a buzz all over the world because of its amazing specs and value for money price, competing with OnePlus this time for the flagship killer tag. So does it has everything to be called the next flagship killer? Let's find out. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. You get a decent silicone case which feels good, the usual Type-C cable. The phone supports 27-watt charger, but inside the box comes with a 5-watt 3A, means 15-watt charger. The smartphone does support fast charging 3.0. That's all what you get inside the box. Now this is the carbon black color, looks stunning and feels solid in the hand. The smartphone is rocking triple camera setup with primary 48 megapixel shooter. Let's turn on the smartphone for the first time. On the left side there is nothing. On the bottom you have Type-C port, main microphone, SIM tray and speaker. Unfortunately, the smartphone doesn't support any SD card. On the top there is secondary microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack and the pop-up selfie camera, which also has LED notifications on the sides. On the right there is a red color power button and black volume up and down buttons. It took me 15 tries to register the fingerprint, so it's a bit slow. The 6.4-inch OLED display of this device is crisp thanks to the full HD Plus screen. The colors are great and also the brightness is decent. Also, I must mention, because of no bezels on the screen, it's a joy to watch the videos and play games on this device. Viewing angles are excellent as expected from a flagship device. Sound quality is good, even though it just has a mono speaker, still not to the level of Pixel 3 XL or iPhone XS, but is extremely good for a mono speaker. In-screen fingerprint sensor speed is quite fast and accurate, but still not faster than the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now this smartphone is running the global version out of the box. It's running Android 9 with May security patch, MIUI global version 10.3.1. There is an annoying delay while using the face unlocking. At first you need to swipe the screen up, then wait for the camera to pop up. I would say the in-screen fingerprint is way faster and way better than this. In terms of performance, this is a full powerhouse device running the latest Snapdragon 855 chipset, so expect the best performance in both daily applications and also games, as the device has 6 GB of RAM. Also, it's good to see Xiaomi including a big 4000 mAh battery for this powerful device. Now comes to the main highlight of this smartphone, its camera. On the rear it has 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 camera with a secondary 8 megapixel camera for the telephoto. Also, with keeping the trend and also a necessity nowadays, an ultra-wide 13 megapixel camera for the ultra-wide shots. It has 2x optical zoom. Unfortunately, there is no optical image stabilization. It can shoot 4K 30 and also 60 frames per second. On the front, it has a 20 megapixel shooter with HDR enabled. Now let's see some sample images and videos. its price and the availability. So if you're in Dubai, just contact these numbers on the screen and you get it for 1340 AED or 2000 or 26,000 Indian currency, which is unbelievable for the specs it has to offer. Also, the device is available in Dubai in 128GB version, so just call the number. Overall, once again, Xiaomi has surprised us with another awesome smartphone for great value. The only negative thing about this device is it doesn't have any IP68 or 67 rating, so you can't take it for swimming. And the second thing is about the pop-up selfie camera. It takes a bit of time to open. It's a bit slow, and also the face unlocks work slow because of that. Now, apart from that, this is an unbelievable value for money with the latest processor for performance and gaming. Also, it has a great camera for daylight. It's not going to beat the OnePlus 7 Pro in terms of refresh rate or performance, but for this price, you'll be happy with this amazing smartphone by Xiaomi. Now, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. See you soon in my next video for Galaxy Note 10 hands-on. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also, click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.